Following the same line as many other wallet makers before them, Ed Charly didn't like what they saw in the market, so they created a Kickstarter.
Sounds familiar.
Yeah, it does sound familiar, doesn't it? Well, let's see if the Ed Charly Classic wallet impresses us. Here we have the Ed Charly. This is the Ed Classic. Looks like we have somewhat of a felt bag. Open it up and here we go. So move this. This is the black version. It comes in a brown color as well. Example credit card. All right, let's take a quick look. Stitching. Machine stitching, but still reinforced in the right places. Interesting. All right, let's keep going. I've had this wallet for well over 18 months in my inventory, but just wasn't excited about it. So let's go through this wallet more and see if things have changed. From a feature perspective, we have 1, 2, and 3 card slots here in the front, with one of them having a quick access card thumb push here. If we flip it over, we have a coin pouch right here. It has a snap closure. It is gusseted a bit, as you can see, so it can take a little bit more coins than you'd expect. Snaps close. And if we look to for where cash goes, it has a pass-through right here. So you fold cash once, put it in, and you have access to it from both sides. They do have a version where this bottom is closed, so it's only accessed from the top. And that's a quick review of the features. It measures 4.1 by 3.2 by 0.4, and it weighs 37 grams or 1.3 ounces. Features are good, layout is good. Let's see how we do on the cards, cash, and coins. As you saw, I got 5 cards in there, 9 slips of cash, and 4 coins. And I only put 4 coins, and it works fine. But as with all coins, it begins to build up pretty quick. And a reasonable carry is probably 5, minimalist 3 cards on this. Company recommends 5+ cards and 10+ bills. Now, of course, because of the cards here and coins here, and this is what they say. The pass-through isn't going to cause your cash to fall out. I mean, you really have to kind of get into here to get it out. But once you do, you have access to it, and there are really no issues here. Works nicely in either the front or the back pocket, no concerns. This is designed and made in Singapore and China, respectively. This one is made from a top-grain Saffiano leather, which is resistant to scratches, stains, water, and really the company says it uses genuine top and full grain leather verbiage interchangeably across their website, which doesn't really demonstrate they particularly know what they're building by way of the materials here. And as we can see, it has a lot of lining material in here. So let's get these coins out, of which you can see that because of this little thing here, it catches coins, which is not very good. You have to really get in here. You can't just unload them all into your palm if you want. And this comes up a bit. This is glued. Listen. Yeah, you hear the crunchy. That's because it's glued over. And then there's lining in here. And there is lining throughout this particular wallet. You can see that the backing here is lining, and this leather are just leather toppers. They don't go all the way down. Now, that said, of course, it makes it very easy to get cards in and out. They slide in nicely, come out quickly, and that's because of this nylon. The nylon, of course, has been added to give this wallet a very slim profile, since leather tends to make things thicker when it adds upon itself. This lining, of course, is RFID. Any lining used these days in any wallet is generally RFID. Yeah, I know, RFID protected. It is machine sewn, which isn't a bad thing, but it does demonstrate, which I like, is reinforcement in all these particular areas here, especially on the corners. I wish there was a little more here with the different card slots, but better than what you would normally see in any other type of wallet constructed like this. Now, the pricing on this is $59.
Yeah.
Usability is easy enough, the card slots are very accessible, and you can get 2 cards in each of these slots very easy. And that's due in large part to the lining, but also because it's the way it's constructed and the tolerances in the cut of this particular leather. Now, if you carry coins or other items like keys, this pouch right here is a very nice option. And coins do happen to people.
Coins? Got any spare coins?
Coins are all over the world, so any wallet that can handle coins really is a nice option. And if you'd rather have this without a coin pouch, take a look at the Ed Contemporary, which focuses only on cards and cash. Overall, this is a good low-end wallet with good usability. So if you're looking for a slim wallet and how this was constructed enhances that offering for you. That said, in the end, there's nothing really impressive about this wallet that stands out to me. So without delay, on to the final score. For quality, a 3. Not bad, but not great either. Price, a 2. A bit expensive for what you get. I think this should be in the $30 to $40 range at the highest. Features, a 4. Anytime a wallet can carry coins, it does get a leg up. Usability, a 4. Everything's easily accessible, nothing is fiddly, and really you have quick access to everything. And perception, a 3. The company is a well-functioning marketing machine, let's put it that way. That gets us a final score of 32 out of 50. Hey, look at this next video if you like this one you just watched. And did I rate this too high or too low? Well, let me know in the comments below. We'll see you in the next review. Bye.